How to use VidIQ for your YouTube videos in PC. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a very important tool for your YouTube automation, and that is known as VidIQ. So let's get started and head over. So if you're stuck with low views or slow subscriber growth, you're probably not using the right tools. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use VidIQ step by step to boost your reach and get more subscribers as well as optimize your content. So this tool has helped creators gain hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and personally I've used it to grow my own channel, rank higher in search, and even go full-time on YouTube. So stick with me until the end because I'll also show you how to spy on your competitors and reverse engineer their success. And if you haven't already, you can try VidIQ by simply clicking on the link given in description below and get an access to VidIQ for free. So first of all, let's head over to VidIQ's most powerful feature, that is the AI tool section that helps you generating description, titles, and tags for your YouTube videos. So you're gonna simply click on generate video content over here. And once you do so, you're going to type down what your video is about. So let's say we want a video for something like, AI animation generator. Let's say we're searching for this. So once you do so, you're going to head over, click on generate. And now it will basically generate the top related keywords with the score along with them. And here is a title, so you can also refine the title using VidIQ built-in AI. And here is a mere description about it that you can simply add to your YouTube videos. And here are some relevant tags along with their scores. So you can also get the thumbnail ideas, you can also get the hook, also the outline, introduction, as well as the presentation of problem challenge. Like, you can just get the whole script. You can simply click on generate script and it will generate the complete script for you, and you wouldn't even have to do anything at all. So that's pretty cool. And after that, we have some other features such as you can click on create, and if you wish to manually generate titles, outlines, you can click on this, and here you can simply type down the video, and you can also filter them. You can click on this and you can use my face and thumbnails. Like, whether you want to generate thumbnails including your face, you can just generate using VidIQ as well. So you can generate titles, tags, description, you can generate the script, you can generate the the thumbnail using VidIQ for free. So that is basically, like, it will help you use 450 out of 500 characters. So this maximizes your chance of showing up in search results and reaching your ideal audience. So now let's talk about titles and content inspiration. So here you're going to click on create, and here we have an option of daily ideas. So once you click on it, so from the dashboard here, you can get an access to daily ideas tab. And this is like a personal assistant giving you fresh content ideas every day, powered by AI. So click into any idea and you'll see the top ranking videos for that topic, complete with their titles, thumbnails, and views. So you can see that I don't really have any saved ideas right now, but these are some ideas over here. So I'm going to click on this. And this is basically the idea that we can get. Like, you can just keep using VidIQ, but you need to have a running YouTube channel that contains videos so that VidIQ will connect to your channel and generate some new ideas for topics regarding the existing ideas, the existing videos that you have on your channel. So basically, this is a very good tool, and you can also use the AI title generator to create, clickable headlines. Just type your topic and it will give you compelling, optimized titles that grab attention and improve CTR. Next, let's talk about one of the most important tools for any YouTuber, that is the keyword research. So you're gonna head over to home, and here is find trending keywords. So let's say you wish to find something like, once again, AI animation. So I'm gonna type that down and press enter, and you'll instantly see the search volume, related keywords, top performing titles, suggested thumbnails. So only go after keywords with more than 25,000 monthly searches. The higher the volume, the greater the potential for views. So simply ignore the competition score, because if your content is better, you can still rank. So if like here I search for AI animation, you can see the overall score is 55 and the competition is 86.34. That is very high. And you can see the search volume is also very high. So if you think that your video might rank very good and you're very good with your video creation skills and everything, so you don't need to worry about this ranking, because if it attracts more people, if your thumbnail is very good, you will still be ranked high. So here you can also see some related keywords such as we have AI pets, image to video, AI, kids movies, etc. along with their search score. So this is a really good tool, and you can just realistically expect 1 to 2x that in views if your content performs well. That means a potential of up to 1 million views you can get that. So this is basically an overview. You can click on related keywords and check out the related keywords. You can also check some matching terms along with questions. So the kind of question titles that people along with me add in their titles, such as how to make PPT with animation using AI, how to make presentation in PowerPoint with animation using AI, how to make AI animation video, and etc. So you can also export by clicking over this here just for your own ease. So here's when it gets even more powerful. So here you can see that this is my YouTube channel, and when looking at related keywords or top performing videos, you can also click on them and watch the full content. But here's the trick. You can simply head over, click on these 3 dots and click on share. And once you do so, you can simply copy this URL and you can head over to youtubetranscript.com and paste that URL over here. So it is gold for scripting your own ideas. You can analyze it to see what hook they used, how they structured their intro, their call to action, pacing, and tone, then rewrite it into your own voice. This works for both long form videos and YouTube shorts. So alright, now over here you can see that once you connect your VidIQ with your channel, you'll be able to see this red button over here, that is the outlier score. So you can simply see it is greater than 100x. That means that the video search is very high and people are searching it a lot. Now let's head over and talk about spying on your competitors. So you can head over to VidIQ and here you can click on research and click on competitors. So you can simply head over to this section. For example, let's say you add Think Media or any channel in your niche. Once added, you can filter by this month to see which of their videos are currently performing the best. So you can simply search for a video, like make a video about this, and then you can filter it according to your own choice by clicking on this filter over here. So these are the 2 that I searched recently. So I'm going to click on this one and check the title, description, tags, etc. for this. So this is way more accurate than simply going to their channel and clicking on most popular, which might show videos from years ago even. So instead, this tool tells you what's trending right now, what's getting the most views per hour, what topics still have the momentum, that helps you make data-driven decisions on what to create next. So to recap, here's how to make VidIQ work for you. Use the description and tag generator, rely on daily ideas, plus title generation for content and headlines, do keyword research and go after high volume terms, use youtubetranscript.com to study video scripts, monitor your competitors' real-time performance. Now let's head over and talk about the upgrade plan. Let's click on this and here is the upgrade plan. 1 month is for $19 per month. It includes you can boost 1 channel per month and you can just see what it contains: unlimited video ideas, unlimited thumbnail generation, unlimited keyword research. The free one has a few credits that you can use for free, but after that you'll have to pay. And then the other one is 12 months. For 12 months, it is $17 per month, and you can also see what features it contains. So you can simply type down your card number and simply pay now. So these are the exact tools I use to generate over, a great number of subscribers and millions of views. And the best part is it works for beginners too. So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, this is the edge you need. And don't forget, you can try VidIQ for just free by clicking on the link given in the description below. So that is basically how you can use VidIQ for your YouTube videos in PC. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.